We specialise in stylish magnetic and copper bracelets for people with back pain, arthritis, migraine, fibromyalgia, menopause symptoms, and more. You can find our jewellery on our website, magneticmobility.ie, here at trade shows and at pharmacies and gift stores across the country. Our signature 4-in-1 magnetic bracelets have 4 elements hidden away in the back of them: negative ions, neodymium magnets, FIR elements, and germanium. There's lots of information on our website about how all of these elements help. Our copper bracelets are made with pure copper, and they all contain neodymium magnets as well to give them an extra boost, so they're really good for people with arthritis and back pain. We also have a selection of birthstone bracelets, and we also have matching necklaces and earrings to make it a complete gift set for your loved ones. We have our county colour bracelets as well, which have all 32 counties for the GAA fans in your life. And when you're at a show, you can also enter our competition. And we have a competition every month giving away one of our 4-in-1 magnetic bracelets or a copper bracelet of your choice. All you have to do to enter is pop along to see us at a show, enter your email, and you'll be in for the month. We're really looking forward to welcoming you at a show.